Hello traders, welcome to Pips Trader YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support. Today we are going to do technical analysis for US dollar JPY. This is going to be for day trading. The technical analysis I'm going to do and share it to you will be valid only for 24 hours. Let's see what market has done so far. I'm on US dollar JPY 4 hours chart now. You could have noticed that USD JPY was an uptrend, continuous uptrend. You can notice that there was a consolidation period. It was just going within the range. There was a consolidation period. Then we can see that it has broken the consolidation period. It has broken this resistance and it has started to go move up. To be more clear, you can see here it has taken a support. It has taken a support here, and there was a very nice triangle pattern formed, and it broke this triangle pattern on 23rd or 24th, 23rd September. It has broken this triangle pattern and it started to move up. Let's analyze the trading range for tomorrow. We know that it was on a triangle pattern. It was consolidating here. Then it has at this point, it has broken the resistance, dynamic resistance, and it has started to move up. Let me go to hourly chart so that we can see more in details. And I'm changing into candlestick chart. So here I'm taking a Fibonacci's value. You can notice that in Fibonacci's value, it is exactly reached at 0.786 at this point. And you can notice also this was a resistance area previously. So it is exactly stopping at resistance area. And when we see also, once it started trending up, it was going straight away and it actually retraced 0.618. Then it started moving up. So I'm expecting again one stop at this point and to retrace or to go forward. So if it goes up, what is going to be the next target? Next target is going to be the previous high. This is going to be the next target. So if it falls down also, where is it going to come back? Retracement will happen at this point. Presently, it is near 111.067. So we're expecting a little bit of stop like it happened in 0.168 in Fibonacci's retracement, and then to continue. So uptrend has started. It has broken the triangle pattern and started moving up. Little bit retracement, again move up, little bit retracement, and again move up. So there's going to be a continuation of the uptrend. So what is going to be the range? So the range, the target points are going to be, it has already cleared this target point, 110.574. Next target, it is presently at this target, 111.084. Next target is going to be 111.695. So it has to clear 111.084. Then only it will go to 111.695. It will take some time. You can already notice that it is started to stop a little. A retracement is happening at this point because previously it has acted as a resistance point at this point. Previously it was a resistance point. Usually when there is a resistance, it will stop a while, then start to move up. Or it will have a little retracement. If it starts moving down also, it is going to retrace up to here and then to continue up. Market usually doesn't go on a straight line. It has to retrace. That is the sign of healthy market. So we have a retracement. We can have a retracement happening here. Then the uptrend to continue. As long as this trend line is holding, As long as this trend line is holding, we will have the uptrend to continue. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe